Industrial buyers spend over 1 crore on machine purchases, but 81% won't even consider equipment they haven't seen operating on video. Without professional machine videos demonstrating the capability, you're essentially invisible to serious buyers. Today, I'll show you how machine manufacturers are closing deals faster with videos that prove capability even before the first factory visit. Here's the challenge every machine manufacturer faces. Your CNC lathe has micron level accuracy. Your injection molding machine can handle a 500-ton clamping force. Your packaging line processes hundreds of units per minute. But when a buyer researches your profile on your website, on IndiaMart or on Alibaba, what do they see? Static photos of machine sitting idle, maybe some specification sheets, perhaps a brochure from the OEM, but no video showing the machine actually running, producing parts, demonstrating accuracy, or proving capabilities. Meanwhile, your competitors, especially international suppliers, have comprehensive demonstration videos for every machine model. Here's what industrial buyers told us. Most of them require videos before shortlisting equipment, and they end up eliminating suppliers without proper technical documentation or videos. Your machine specifications don't matter if your buyer can't see them performing. Video proves capability in ways specifications never can. A professional machine demonstration video must accomplish 5 critical objectives that convert research into purchase. Objective 1, show the complete machine setup and footprint. Buyers need to see overall dimensions, installation requirements, power connection, and workspace needed. They are planning factory floor layouts. Your video must answer, will this machine fit in my facility and integrate with my operations? Next objective, demonstrate actual operation with real materials. Don't just show machine running empty, show it cutting metal, molding plastic, printing on actual substrates, processing real materials. This proves capability and builds confidence that specifications translate to performance. Objective 3, highlight precision, accuracy, and quality output. Show measuring tools verifying dimensional accuracy, quality inspection of finished products, surface finishes, tight tolerances being achieved in your machine. Industrial buyers care about precision above all else. Your video must prove your machine delivers it. Next objective, display control systems and automation capabilities. Show the control panel interface, programming ease, automations if any, and different safety systems and monitoring capabilities. Modern buyers want machines with integration with Industry 4.0. Your video must demonstrate technological sophistication for them to even consider your machine. The last objective, demonstrate speed, efficiency, and production capacity. Show cycle times, output rates, changeover speed, and throughput. Buyers calculate ROI based on production capacity. Your video must prove your machine delivers the output rates you claim in your specifications. When your machine video demonstrates all 5 objectives, footprint, operation, precision, technology, and capacity, industrial buyers develop confidence even before scheduling their factory visits. And this confidence is what will accelerate sales cycles and increase deal closure rates. At Onewrk, we've produced machine demonstration videos for manufacturers and dealers across India, from CNC machines to milling machines. We've done it all. Our process to turn technical specifications into compelling visual proof is just a few seconds away. So we start with machine capability analysis. We study your machine specifications, identify competitive advantages, understand your buyer priorities in your category, and determine what will demonstrate the most effective details to close deals. Next, demonstration planning and material preparation. We coordinate with you to arrange appropriate materials for demonstration, plan production sequences that showcase capabilities, and ensure optimal operating conditions for filming. Step 3 is technical script development. In collaboration with you, write scripts that explain operations in clear language, highlight technical advantages, call out precision features, and emphasize on productivity benefits. Every technical detail serves the sale. Next step is professional cinematography optimized for technical demonstration. We use multiple camera angles, macro lenses for precision shots, and high frame rate capture for detailed operation view. We also use professional lighting to showcase the quality. The goal is to make sure all details are clearly visible. Next is on-screen specification and measurement graphics. We add animated callouts highlighting dimensional accuracy, speed metrics, cycle times, technical specifications. These graphics transform from watching a simple machine video into understanding what it can deliver. After which we get into the voiceover process. What we typically recommend is for the country you're delivering to, create voiceovers which are native to that country. And of course, English voiceovers would be the primary script. Clear explanation of these machines is what will build buyer confidence. After this, we get into strategic editing. Essentially, our goal is to showcase your competitive advantages, whether your machine offers superior speed, precision, lower operating cost, or automation. Editing is trying to take advantage of these details and ensure that every strength is highlighted. This is what will make a difference between someone watching the video through and through. And finally, we ensure that the video which we give you is optimized for all the marketing channels you will publish it in. Can be IndiaMart, Alibaba, Trade India, YouTube, LinkedIn, wherever it is. The goal is to get as many eyeballs on these videos as possible, and it requires channel level optimization. Our single production will give you comprehensive coverage across sales and marketing channels and give you a sales tool which will work 24/7. We've delivered incredible ROI to all the manufacturers for whom we continue to do machine videos. And if you want to get your machine video as well, what are you waiting for? Give me a call, send me a message, or fill out the inquiry form in the link in the description. We'll get in touch with you and understand how we can make a 24/7 marketing and sales tool for you where it demonstrates the real value which your machine makes. Our goal is that when a buyer contacts you, they've already seen your machine perform. They are calling to purchase, not to learn.